Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today I'm making a video on Wolfbox dash cameras. Specifically, this one in my hand is the Wolfbox G850. It's a new model. It's basically the entry level model. It looks like it's going to be replacing the G840 series, but right now the G840 series is still available. And why am I making you a video on Wolfbox cameras? It's because we actually just had a customer ask us about having a camera that could be removable, so that he could put one in his all like full-time car and then be able to take the camera out when he has a rental car so he could use the camera in multiple vehicles. And it got me to searching for cameras that had suction cup mounts. And it turns out that all of the mainstream brand of dash cameras or brands of dash cameras that we carry no longer offer suction cup mounts, whereas Wolfbox offers these rear view mirror mounted dash cameras that have these straps that, as I take it off here in the video, allow you to essentially unstrap and restrap the camera into multiple vehicles. And what's cool about it is it's highly transportable. And what is also cool about it is that we generally sell these as installed packages. So the customer comes in, buys the Wolfbox camera from us, and then we install it for them using a hardwire cable. But in the package comes a cigarette lighter, a 12-volt outlet cable. So what does that mean? That means that literally out of the box, when you get this installed in your car, it's almost automatically portable, like transportable from car to car. Now, with that being said, what's not easily transportable is the rear camera, because all Wolfbox cameras come with not only the front mirror, but they come with a rear camera that can double either as a backup camera slash rear dash camera, or you can mount it in the rear window as a rear dash camera only. Now, I've got the Wolfbox models pulled up on my website that I just want to go through here. So essentially, we have four models of Wolfcam or Wolfbox dash cameras on our site. There's the G840, the G900 Pro, the G850 Pro, and the G850. So the one I was just showing you in this video is the G850. It's essentially a 4K front dash camera with a 1080p rear camera. It's got Wi-Fi, so you can watch the footage on an app on your phone when you're in the vehicle. And it's also got the 12-inch wide LCD touchscreen display that is a trademark of Wolfbox dash cameras. They all have this rear view mirror mounted screen, and they all come with the clip-on capability or strap-on capability. But Wolfbox does offer permanent mount rear view mirror mounting brackets. So if you don't want to have this be portable or strapped onto your existing rear view mirror, on many vehicles, you can actually replace your factory rear view mirror with the Wolfbox mirror using that permanent bracket. Now, when you look at the other models, again, I was saying that the G850 is going to be replacing the G840. The G840 is obviously the least expensive model at $180 or $179.95. It does not have Wi-Fi. It's literally just a front dash camera and a rear camera with the 12-inch display. The way that you would watch video on this G840 model would be through the display itself. From the G850, you move up to the G850 Pro. Essentially, what the G850 Pro gives you is, again, 4K in the front, 1080 in the rear, but the G850 Pro adds some cool features for driver safety, including a blind spot detection feature, lane departure warning, and a number of driver safety features, which we will make another YouTube video going over this model specifically because it deserves its own video, because it's one of the first dash cameras on the market that offer the video blind spot detection using an AI algorithm. And then you move up to the G900 Pro, which is essentially the flagship model. I'll click into this listing. This would be known as the top of the line dash camera from Wolfbox. It's 4K in the front, 2.5K in the rear. It's got Wi-Fi, and it's got the Sony Starvis 2 image processor, giving you the best of both day vision and night vision, as well as resolution overall. There's going to be another version of the G900 Pro called the G900 Tri Pro. We don't have that model on our website yet, but essentially the G900 Tri Pro is going to add a front camera for, say, the front bumper of your vehicle to assist you in parking. So, for example, we have a client that's got a brand new Toyota Tundra. He's looking for a front parking camera, and what better option to do that with than a Wolfbox G900 Pro? Again, we'll make a dedicated video on that solution once that solution comes out. But for your reference, the G900 Pro is currently the flagship model. And if I go back to the Wolfbox models here, you will see basically that there are currently the 4 versions on our site. If you click into any of these listings on our site, you will see our installed package price. These prices that you see here are for the product on its own, and so do not include installation at the product price that you see. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We really embrace the Wolfbox brand because it offers extreme value, extreme flexibility, again, portability, which is something new that we're actually realizing that you can transfer this camera from car to car. As well as top of the line features. You know, the G900 Pro with the Sony Starburst 2 image processor gives you image processing that some of the flagship cameras also offer, like the VFO A329, the ThinkWare U3000, the Blackview DR970. And the Wolfbox is giving you that feature at a very low price and actually giving you higher value because it gives you the large 12-inch display. So again, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. 1-866-824-4118 is our toll-free number. www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're looking for a dash camera, please consider the Wolfbox brand. Thank you.